Welcome, animal lovers, to Animal Shorts Daily. Today's episode dives into the world of the magnificent swan, a creature synonymous with elegance and grace. Swans might seem like picture-perfect birds gliding effortlessly across tranquil lakes, but there's more to them than meets the eye. These birds boast a rich history, fascinating behaviors, and surprising adaptations. Let's delve deeper and discover the secrets behind the swan's majestic presence. Did you know there are actually 7 recognized swan species, each with its own unique characteristics and geographic range? Here are some of the most well-known. 1. Mute swan, the largest and most common swan species, known for its all-white plumage and orange bill with a black knob. 2. Trumpeter swan, native to North America, this majestic bird is the largest swan species in the world, boasting impressive trumpeting calls. 3. Whooper swan, this elegant swan with a yellow bill and black knob is the national bird of Finland and Iceland. 4. Black swan, a symbol of grace and rarity. The black swan, native to Australia and New Zealand, stands out with its striking black plumage and red bill. Swans are truly built for life on the water. Their large bodies are streamlined for swimming, aided by powerful webbed feet that propel them efficiently. Their long necks help them reach aquatic plants and forage underwater. Surprisingly, these graceful birds have strong wings with a wingspan that can reach up to 10 feet. This allows them to take flight for impressive migratory journeys. Swans spend a significant portion of their lives on the water. They're skilled swimmers and divers, feeding on a variety of aquatic plants, insects, and small fish. These birds are also meticulous groomers, using their bills to preen their feathers and maintain their waterproof coat. The power of partnerships. Swans are known for their strong bonds. They typically mate for life, forming a partnership and raising their young together. The male, or cob, and the female, or pen, work together to build a nest, incubate eggs, and raise their cygnets, baby swans. The sight of a swan family gliding gracefully across a lake is a true testament to their devotion and cooperation. However, it's important to note that recent studies suggest some swan pairs may separate under certain circumstances. Swan songs, myth or reality. Legend tells of the swan's beautiful song sung just before death. While the reality is less dramatic, swans do have a variety of vocalizations. They use hisses, grunts, and trumpeting calls to communicate with each other, expressing everything from territorial defense to attracting mates. Sadly, these majestic birds face various threats in the wild. Habitat loss due to pollution and development destroys their nesting grounds. Predators like foxes and raccoons can endanger cygnets. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring the continued survival of these remarkable creatures. Swans have captivated human imagination for centuries. Their beauty and grace have inspired artists, writers, and mythologists throughout history. In many cultures, swans symbolize love, purity, and fidelity. Living near a body of water with swans can be a delightful experience. However, it's important to remember that these are wild animals. Here are some tips for responsible swan observation. 1. Maintain a safe distance. Swans can be aggressive, especially when protecting their young. 1. Admire them from afar with binoculars or a telephoto lens. 2. Avoid feeding. Swans have a natural diet, and feeding them human food can disrupt their health and ecosystem. 3. Respect their habitat. Don't litter or disturb their nesting areas. The swan's resilience and delicate balance. Despite their graceful beauty, swans face a harsh reality. The loss of a mate can be devastating for these devoted birds. There have been documented cases where a swan appears to grieve the death of its partner by losing its own will to live. This highlights the delicate balance of their social bonds. Swan conservation efforts. Fortunately, there are things we can do to help swan populations. Supporting organizations dedicated to wetland conservation is a great way to make a difference. You can also spread awareness about the threats swans face and encourage responsible wildlife viewing practices. The majestic swan is a true symbol of grace and resilience. By appreciating these remarkable birds and understanding their delicate balance, we can ensure their continued presence in our natural world. Let us know in the comments below what you find most fascinating about swans. Have you ever had a close encounter with these magnificent creatures? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more explorations of the animal kingdom, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for joining us on Animal Shorts Daily.